Middletown Volunteer Fire Company is next. Serving the community with dedication and bravery. This is a 100% volunteer department. They rely on donations and fundraising to keep their equipment and training up to date. So thank you so much for helping the entire community, the Middletown Volunteer Fire Department. The Carrick School of Irish Dance is next, under the direction of Christina Shull. The Carrick School of Irish Dance is bringing the art of Irish dancing to the area since 2012. With a focus on organization, dance, art history provides a supportive environment where dancers can develop their skills, build confidence, and celebrate the rich heritage of Irish dance. Harrisburg River Rescue. Great emergency service. These men and women have been serving our area for years and years, over 65 years of service. And I always like to point out, they train people from other cities how to do what they do in important cities like this. Online. Thank you, Sempo. Bring it up the rear. You're looking good. Harrisburg Bureau of Fire, Harrisburg Bureau of Police, a fitting way to end our 2025 St. Patrick's Day Parade with our finest police and fire. Thank you for coming down, and again, please spend time in Harrisburg today. I'm RJ Harris. I'll see you Monday morning on WHB 580. God bless. Take care.